CompTIA Windows 11 exam questions. Question 1. A CompTIA A+ learner is facing a realistic support scenario about Windows 11 support. What is the main purpose of the Windows 11 Start menu? Which choice gives the most accurate technician-level answer? Option A. Replace the motherboard. Option B. Launch apps and reach system tools. Option C. Assign IP addresses. Option D. Clean printer heads. The correct answer is option B. Launch apps and reach system tools. The main launcher is the front door to the user environment. It brings apps, search, settings, and power options into one familiar place. Question 2. During a YouTube long-form practice session on Windows 11 support, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. Which Windows 11 feature arranges Windows into predefined screen layouts? What is the best answer? Option A. Disk Cleanup. Option B. Device Manager. Option C. Snap Layouts. Option D. Character Map. The correct answer is option C. Snap Layouts. Built-in window arrangement helps users organize multiple tasks on one display. It is a productivity shortcut for keeping work visible and structured. Question 3. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving Windows 11 support. Which utility shows running processes and resource usage? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A. Paint. Option B. Calculator. Option C. Snipping tool. Option D. Task Manager. The correct answer is option D. Task Manager. Process monitoring reveals what is consuming processor time, memory, disk, and network resources. This makes it a powerful first stop for performance troubleshooting. Question 4. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to Windows 11 support. Which tool can remove temporary files to free storage space? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA A+ understanding? Option A. Disk Cleanup. Option B. Media Player. Option C. Notepad. Option D. Magnifier. The correct answer is option A. Disk Cleanup. Unneeded temporary data can accumulate quietly. Cleaning it out gives the system more room for updates, caches, and normal operation. Question 5. A student preparing for the CompTIA A+ exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in Windows 11 support. What is the primary role of Windows Update? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A. Increase RAM physically. Option B. Deliver fixes, drivers, and improvements. Option C. Replace the power supply. Option D. Print documents. The correct answer is option B. Deliver fixes, drivers, and improvements. Updates help close security gaps and improve reliability. Regular maintenance keeps the operating system prepared for new threats and compatibility needs. Question 6. In a practical IT support environment, a technician must apply knowledge of Windows 11 support. Which built-in area helps manage antivirus and threat protection? Which option is the most professional and accurate choice? Option A. WordPad. Option B. Task View. Option C. Windows Security. Option D. File History. The correct answer is option C. Windows Security. The security dashboard centralizes protection status and threat controls. It helps users see whether defenses are active and whether action is needed. Question 7. A viewer is being challenged with a scenario-style CompTIA question about Windows 11 support. Which app is used to browse files and folders? Which answer would a skilled technician select first? Option A. Device Manager. Option B. Registry Editor. Option C. Resource Monitor. Option D. File Explorer. The correct answer is option D. File Explorer. The file browser gives users a map of their storage locations. It supports organizing, opening, copying, and deleting information. Question 8. While studying for long-form CompTIA A+ practice, the learner must connect theory to a real support task in Windows 11 support. Which tool is commonly used to view hardware devices and drivers? What is the correct choice? Option A. Device Manager. Option B. Disk Cleanup. Option C. Task Scheduler. Option D. Voice Recorder. The correct answer is option A. Device Manager. Hardware visibility is essential when diagnosing missing, disabled, or driver-related devices. This console shows the relationship between the operating system and installed components. Question 9. A small business user needs help, and the situation tests a technician's understanding of Windows 11 support. What does the recycle bin provide? Which answer best resolves the issue? Option A. Permanent encryption. Option B. Temporary holding area for deleted items. Option C. Network routing. Option D. Firmware updates. The correct answer is option B. Temporary holding area for deleted items. Deleted files may be recoverable before final removal. This safety buffer protects users from some accidental mistakes. Question 10. For a YouTube exam prep question designed to test real-world judgment in Windows 11 support, consider this situation. Which feature lets users create separate workspaces on one PC? Which option is the best answer? Option A, Disk Management. Option B, Remote Registry. Option C, Virtual Desktops. Option D, Print Spooler. The correct answer is option C, Virtual Desktops. Separate desktops reduce clutter by grouping tasks into different spaces. This helps users focus without closing important work. Question 11. A CompTIA-A+ learner is facing a realistic support scenario about Windows 11 support. What does user account control help prevent? Which choice gives the most accurate technician-level answer? Option A, full storage drives. Option B, dead pixels. Option C, loose cables. Option D, unauthorized or accidental system changes. The correct answer is option D, unauthorized or accidental system changes. Privilege prompts create a checkpoint before sensitive changes occur. That pause can block malware actions and user mistakes. Question 12. During a YouTube long-form practice session on Windows 11 support, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. Where would a user commonly manage Wi-Fi connections in Windows 11? What is the best answer? Option A, Network and Internet settings. Option B, Personalization only. Option C, Gaming settings. Option D, Mouse settings. The correct answer is option A, Network and Internet settings. Connectivity controls are centralized where users can view adapters, join networks, and review status. This location is a practical starting point for network issues. Question 13. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving Windows 11 support. What is BitLocker used for? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A, video editing. Option B, drive encryption. Option C, printer sharing. Option D, fan control. The correct answer is option B, drive encryption. Storage protection helps keep data unreadable without proper authorization. This matters especially for portable devices that can be lost or stolen. Question 14. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to Windows 11 support. Which tool is used to create or modify disk partitions? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA-A+ understanding? Option A, Notepad. Option B, Calculator. Option C, Disk Management. Option D, Sticky Notes. The correct answer is option C, Disk Management. Partition tools organize storage into usable sections. Technicians use them when preparing drives, assigning letters, or reviewing volume health. Question 15. A student preparing for the CompTIA-A+ exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in Windows 11 support. What is safe mode designed to do? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A, increase gaming frames. Option B, expand cloud storage. Option C, repair monitor stands. Option D, start with minimal services and drivers. The correct answer is option D, start with minimal services and drivers. A reduced startup environment helps isolate software and driver conflicts. If a problem disappears there, the cause is likely outside the basic core. Question 16. In a practical IT support environment, a technician must apply knowledge of Windows 11 support. Which Windows feature can help restore earlier file versions when configured? Which option is the most professional and accurate choice? Option A, File History. Option B, Clipboard Viewer. Option C, Paint 3D. Option D, Sound Recorder. The correct answer is option A, File History. Version-based recovery gives users a path back when files are changed or deleted. It is one layer of protection against mistakes and corruption. Question 17. A viewer is being challenged with a scenario-style CompTIA question about Windows 11 support. What is the purpose of the Settings app? Which answer would a skilled technician select first? Option A, Power cable testing. Option B, Centralized system configuration. Option C, Toner replacement. Option D, Case airflow. The correct answer is option B, Centralized system configuration. Modern configuration controls live in a central interface for system, devices, accounts, privacy, and updates. This makes common administration easier for users and technicians. Question 18. While studying for long-form CompTIA-A+ practice, the learner must connect theory to a real support task in Windows 11 support. Which tool shows deeper real-time resource details than basic views? What is the correct choice? Option A, WordPad. Option B, Character Map. Option C, Resource Monitor. Option D, camera. The correct answer is option C, resource monitor. Detailed resource tracking helps find bottlenecks in processor, memory, disk, and network usage. It turns a vague slow computer complaint into measurable evidence. Question 19. A small business user needs help, and the situation tests a technician's understanding of Windows 11 support. What is Microsoft Defender designed to help protect against? Which answer best resolves the issue? Option A, low chair height. Option B, paper jams. Option C, dusty monitors. Option D, security threats. The correct answer is option D, security threats. Built-in protection helps detect and respond to harmful activity. It is part of a layered defense strategy, not a substitute for safe behavior. Question 20. For a YouTube exam prep question designed to test real-world judgment in Windows 11 support, consider this situation. Which feature gives a visual overview of open windows and desktops? Which option is the best answer? Option A, Task View. Option B, Disk Cleanup. Option C, Registry Editor. Option D, Command Prompt Only. The correct answer is option A, Task View. A workspace overview helps users move between active tasks quickly. It reduces the mental load of searching through crowded windows. Question 21. A CompTIA Plus learner is facing a realistic support scenario about Windows 11 support. What does remote desktop allow? Which choice gives the most accurate technician-level answer? Option A, physically clean a keyboard. Option B, control another computer over a network. Option C, replace a battery. Option D, increase monitor size. The correct answer is option B, control another computer over a network. Remote control supports administration and troubleshooting without being at the machine. It is valuable for help desks and distributed workplaces. Question 22. During a YouTube long-form practice session on Windows 11 support, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. What is the Windows registry? What is the best answer? Option A, a cloud backup service. Option B, a type of monitor cable. Option C, configuration database for system and application settings. Option D, a printer cartridge. The correct answer is option C, configuration database for system and application settings. The configuration database stores many settings that influence how Windows and installed programs behave. Careless edits can cause serious issues, so technicians handle it carefully. Question 23. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving Windows 11 support. Why are regular Windows updates important? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A, they delete all user data. Option B, they remove the need for backups. Option C, they guarantee faster Wi-Fi. Option D, they improve security and stability. The correct answer is option D, they improve security and stability. Patches often close vulnerabilities and resolve reliability problems. Staying current reduces exposure to known issues. Question 24. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to Windows 11 support. What do accessibility settings support? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA Plus understanding? Option A, usability needs such as vision, hearing, and interaction preferences. Option B, graphics card installation. Option C, router replacement. Option D, storage formatting. The correct answer is option A, usability needs such as vision, hearing, and interaction preferences. Accessibility tools let technology adapt to different users. These settings can improve productivity and independence for many people. Question 25. A student preparing for the CompTIA Plus exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in Windows 11 support. Why does Windows knowledge matter for CompTIA Plus candidates? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A, Windows is only used by gamers. Option B, many workplaces rely on Windows support skills. Option C, no troubleshooting uses operating systems. Option D, it replaces networking knowledge. The correct answer is option B, many workplaces rely on Windows support skills. A large amount of technical support involves operating system configuration, repair, and user assistance. Understanding Windows gives candidates practical workplace value.